Good morning everyone. Today in this video of class 7th chemistry, we'll study about how the workers they are affected and their health is affected in wool and sericulture industry. Till last day we studied how silk is obtained from silkworm. Now we'll see how their health, workers who are working in wool and silk industry is affected. Okay, so let's start. Workers employed in almost all processes of the sericulture industry are adversely affected by number of diseases. Means someone who is working in sericulture industry means sericulture is what? Production, rearing, breeding and management of silkworm. For what? Silk is called as sericulture. So somebody who is working in this way to produce silk or to obtain silk from silkworm is said to be working in sericulture industry. ठीक है, they are adversely affected. What are the diseases? First is Sorter's disease. Sorter's disease. Now it is what? It is related with blood. It is related with blood and it is caused by what? Bacterium called anthrax. किस चीज़ से रिलेटेड डिजीज़ है? ब्लड से रिलेटेड डिजीज़ है. ठीक है, किसके कारण होता है? बैक्टीरियम, बैक्टीरिया के कारण होता है. कौन सा? एंथ्रैक्स. ठीक है, एंथ्रैक्स नाम के बैक्टीरिया के कारण जो डिजीज़ होता है वो डिजीज़ को क्या बोलते हैं? सॉर्टर्स डिजीज़. और वो डिजीज़ किस चीज़ से रिलेटेड है? ब्लड से रिलेटेड है. यू हैव टू कीप ओनली टू थिंग्स इन योर माइंड. फर्स्ट, it is related with blood, and second, the microbes that causes is bacteria and called as anthrax. Clear? Second is respiratory diseases. Respiratory is what? Taking enough oxygen, ठीक है, and using it for energy, that is called as respiration. So in terms of respiration, what happens? Oxygen is taken in, so that is related with lungs. Okay, so these respiratory diseases are mainly related with lungs. Now inhalation of vapors arising from cocoon undergoing steaming, cooking and rilling, breathing produces breathing problems, asthma and other bronchial ailments. Means when these cocoons they are heated in order to get silk yarn, okay, for rilling, then what happens? Vapor comes out of it, okay, and those vapors when they are inhaled, ठीक है, जब हम लोग वेपर्स को इनहेल करते हैं, इट कॉजेज ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम, सांस लेने में दिक्कत होती है. ठीक है, डिसीज दैट इज रिलेटेड विथ ब्रीदिंग. नेक्स्ट इज अस्थमा एंड थर्ड इज ब्रोंकियल एलिमेंट्स. ब्रोंकियल इज रिलेटेड विथ लंग्स, दैट इज ब्रोंकाई. ओके, and third is scabies and other skin infection. Scabies and other skin infection. The first step in rilling is boiling of cocoons in water to kill the worms. As a result of constant dipping in boiling water, the skin of the workers become raw and blistered, resulting in peeling of skin of hands and feet. Now what happens when these workers they constantly dip their hand in boiling water? As a result, what happens? It gets swollen up. Water gets inside the skin, it gets swollen up and it becomes blistered, and as a result skin comes out of the hand. Clear? Next is, let's see few differences between natural and artificial fibers. In natural fiber we'll be taking example of silk and wool, and artificial fiber in general. In terms of their burning, silk and wool both of them burns, but artificial fiber they melt. ठीक है, सिल्क और वुल दोनों क्या होते हैं? बर्न करते हैं, लेकिन आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर मेल्ट करता है. नेक्स्ट इज स्मेल. इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्मेल, सिल्क नो स्ट्रॉन्ग ओडर. सिल्क के पास कोई भी स्ट्रॉन्ग ओडर या स्मेल नहीं होता है. वुल बर्निंग हेयर टाइप ओडर, मतलब जैसा स्मेल हेयर को बर्न करने पे होता है, ओके, दैट टाइप ऑफ ओडर. नेक्स्ट इज artificial cloth. They have characteristics odor. They are different for different clothes. Next is on burning, what is left? Silk and wool both leaves a black dull color bead like structure which can be crushed easily. ठीक है, but artificial clothes, their beads are hard. They are hard. Any other feature? In that sense we can say silk and wool both are self extinguishing. मतलब they can put off their fire themselves. आग खुद ही बुझ जाता है. And artificial clothes, they drops when it catches fire, what happens? Drops of melted nylon falls onto the ground and it may lead to few other fires. Okay, now let's move to, till now we studied about fabrics. Now we'll see the clothes, how these clothes helps us. Long ago human beings used leaves, barks of trees and skin of animals to cover their bodies. Then they learnt the art of weaving and started making clothes. Okay, so what happened? Long ago in ancient time there was nobody knew the art of weaving or knitting. Okay, so what ancient people used? They used leaves or barks of trees or skin of animals to cover their bodies. ठीक है, but with the passage of time they learned the art of weaving and knitting. As a result, clothes were developed. Okay, now how these clothes protect us? They protect us against heat, cold, rain, dust and insect. Okay, they protect us against heat, cold, rain, dust and insect. इन सभी चीज़ों से clothes हमें बचाते हैं. Clothes should be clean and comfortable, and the clothes that we are wearing should be clean and comfortable. Because dirty clothes usually stink, they smell bad, breed germs, means they lead to growth of germs and causes diseases. Okay, they lead to disease. ठीक है. Climate and clothes. What are the different types of clothes that we wear in what particular weather or climate? First is in summer we wear loose light colored cotton clothes. समर में हम लोग लूज कॉटन क्लोथ्स जो कि लाइट कलर्ड के होते हैं उन्हें पहनते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज कॉटन क्लोथ्स अलाउ एयर टू सर्कुलेट फ्रीली एंड सो द हीट ऑफ द बॉडी स्केप्स. कॉटन क्लोथ्स क्या करते हैं? एयर को फ्री सर्कुलेशन में हेल्प करते हैं. क्या करते हैं? एयर को फ्री सर्कुलेशन में हेल्प करते हैं. अलाउ इट टू मूव फ्रीली. ओके, नाउ वाइट क्लोथ्स रिफ्लेक्ट हीट एंड कीप द बॉडी कूल. और वाइट कलर क्या है? एक गुड रिफ्लेक्टर ऑफ हीट है. तो व्हेन हीट इज नॉट एब्जॉर्ब्ड then what happen? It is reflected, then what happen? Temperature does not increase, and when temperature does not increase we feel cool. Okay, next, in winter we wear thick dark colored clothes made of wool, fur or leather. Why? This thick clothes that does not allow our body heat to escape. हमारे body heat को बाहर नहीं जाने देते हैं. They maintain our temperature. Also, these dark color clothes they absorb heat and keeps the body warm. और ये जो डार्क कलर क्लोथ्स होते हैं ये हीट को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. ठीक है, और बॉडी को वार्म रखने में मदद करते हैं. क्लियर? एंड लास्ट इज ड्यूरिंग रेनी सीजन वी यूजुअली वेयर कॉटन क्लोथ्स. वी ऑल्सो यूज रेन कोट्स, अम्ब्रेलाज and gum boots to keep dry when we go out in rain. Usually in rainy season we use cotton clothes. Cotton clothes हम लोग पहनते हैं. ठीक है, उसके अलावा हम लोग क्या यूज़ करते हैं? रेन कोट्स को यूज़ करते हैं, अम्ब्रेलाज को यूज़ करते हैं और गम बूट्स यूज़ करते हैं to protect ourselves from rain. Clear? That's all for this today in this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe and keep studying. Thank you.